Surgeons innovate every day in the operating room, and we often face issues that are quite daunting.
There is something exciting and special about surgery, and if you're lucky enough to be at a center where you can innovate, it's particularly exciting.
The number of problems we have in the operating room has not diminished. If only I could see through this tissue, if only I had an instrument that could reach around that corner.
What approach, how to make the incision as small as possible, how to make sure it's lined up well.
If you knew exactly where that nerve was in relation to those critical structures, surgery would be safer. Surgeons face these questions and pose solutions to themselves every single day.
We always talk about how much fun it is and how great it is to have translational research where basic research can go from bench to bedside, but when you're actually the person carrying it from bench to bedside, it can be really, really special.
My name is Dr. Joshua Betterson. I am professor and chairman of the Department of Neurosurgery for the Mount Sinai Health System.
I'm Evan Flato. I'm a professor of orthopedic surgery here at Mount Sinai, and I'm president of Mount Sinai West. I worked for many years developing a range of implant products that were informed by my clinical experience and my expertise.
I'm a neurosurgeon who specializes in skull base and cerebrovascular surgery. Early on, I became interested in using advanced imaging to facilitate planning for surgery and later on to do the surgery itself.
It's a great time to be in surgical innovation.
It's a unique combination of surgeons, scientists, engineers at the most advanced level, facing the most complicated problems. Frankly, what we're missing and what is needed is the talent to take each one of these potential solutions,
to take discovery all the way to application and then to do follow-up.
A prototype, a patent, with the recognition that we can develop some of these new technologies within an environment like Mount Sinai. This is a particularly exciting time.
Dr. Neer, who was my mentor, once said to me, at the end of your career, the only really important thing you did is the patients you cared for and the people you trained in how to take care of their patients. And so I think technology innovation is an extension of that because it expands the scope of how you can impact your field.